Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my new video. It's me Mahbub here today. So today I'm going to talk about that. Now we are planning that we'll create a coaching center in Kumila City, and just I think that very soon it will be. That's mean what can I say? We'll represent you. Okay, to you. And as you know that my brother was this dream that by hook or by crook, one day he will create a coaching center. Or also, you know that my brother teaches lots of students in Kumila City, and the guardians, the owner of the guardians, they are said to him that please Jahid, create a coaching center in Kumila City. That's mean in our city. And also you know that he got lots of students, or he is getting lots of students, but he can't teach because he don't have enough time in his hand. But that's why we are planning that if we teach together, and it will be better for them. So that is why, and you know that today we already advanced, but I think that my brother didn't upload any videos about that. But also I didn't upload any videos in my phone. That's mean there have no. That's mean SD card. That's mean full. That's mean my. That's mean 128 GB. That's why it's full. So that is why I can't make video today. And okay, guys, you know my brother studied in Kumila University Department of English. Also, he have done well in his classes, and today that means he has a plan that's long time last since 2 or 3 years, that's by hook or by crook. That's why he's planning. That means he's study at university also, as well as Department of English. Also you know that English value in our country is very demanded. Also it is very demanded in not only my country but also all over the world. That is, you can say that it is international language. So that is why my brother said to planning that he will help this country's people, because we are together, we are brother each other, we are brother sister. Again, that is why my brother planning that he will help, but will take money. But we have some cost. That's why we'll take money. But we are eagerly waiting that we'll help you. Okay, don't be worried about. That's mean মানুষ তো অনেকভাবে সাহায্য করে। যাই হোক আমরা একটু ব্রেনদের একটু সাহায্য করবো ইনশাল্লাহ আপনাদের। তো জাস্ট আপনাদের দোয়া চাই এবং আপনারা দোয়া করবেন যাতে আমরা আগামী ফিউচারে ভালো কিছু করতে পারি। আর কুমিল্লা শহরে আমরা অলরেডি একটা প্রতিষ্ঠান দেওয়া শুরু করে দিয়েছি, হয়তো আমাদের কাজ কালকে থেকে চলবে। যদিও আমার এক্সাম চলতেছে, তো এক্সামের পর আমি তাদের সাথে মানে যোগদান করতে পারবো। সুজন ভাই, জাহিদ ভাই, মানে আমরা তিনজনে ভাই ভাই ভাই, ঠিক আছে। আর আপনারও আমার ভাই, আপনারও আমার বোন, ঠিক আছে। সো আপনাদের দোয়া চাই। আর অভিভাবক আন্টি আঙ্কেল হয়তো অনেকে আমার ভিডিও দেখেন, আমার বড় ভাই ভিডিও দেখেন, আমার সুজন ভাইয়ের ভিডিও দেখেন। সো সবাই সাপোর্ট করবেন, সো যাতে ভালো কিছু করতে পারি। আর সো থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। আর ভালো থাকবেন আর দোয়া করবেন, আর আপনাদের প্রতি দোয়া রইল। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।